Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to see who viewed your LinkedIn profile. So if you want to see who viewed your LinkedIn profile, just watch this video till the end. So if you want to really know about who are being watching over you on LinkedIn, all you got to do is simply go to LinkedIn. Now to see who viewed your LinkedIn profile, you need to go to the profile. Once you're in your profile, you need to simply tap on the analytics section. So there you can tap on view analytics. Now you need to click on the option called profile view. Once you simply tap on the option called profile view, then you can see like the people or recent visitor in past few days who have viewed your profile. So if you have a premium feature, then you can unlock all your profile viewers. You can simply know who have viewed your profile like specifically, but you can not actually see the faces of the person who viewed it if you have a normal account rather than premium. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.